Hey guys, back part 2. Sorry, I got a little over what I was thinking. Got a decent amount of packs left. So yeah, I already got the victory gold. Man hitting the box. Already sent the League Game Breakers. So you get 1 insert per pack, which I'm sure everybody who collects hockey would know. So this is kind of the base set for the year besides Series 1 and 2. You know, it has no retail, no hobby, so it's all the same thing. Oh, that's nice. Hurricanes. Hopefully I see him this year. Jacob Blink. Saw him on Albany. So that's pretty cool. Riley Armstrong victory rookie. Well, last time I busted a blaster this, I got 2 victory golds, and that was a blaster, so hopefully I can pull 2 victory golds in here. Even better, victory black. Stars of the game. Patrice Bergeron. Kind of lost some of his edge, but you know, it's amazing to come back from a broken neck that early. Same thing with Eric Cole. We're opening the packs upside down. Heard of him. Oh, that's who Sean Collins is. Victory rookie. Went to a hockey camp. They were giving away a signed jersey from Jesse Winchester and Tim Kennedy. Heard of Jesse Winchester, but never. There's some Tim Kennedy collector on sports card forum that I traded with. Steven Stamkos. Game Breakers, David Booth. I don't know. He had a decent year last year. Good to see a new set come out. I'm gonna finally open some stuff with new players. Peter. Regin. Victory rookie, sorry. The music kind of disturbs me. I'll do the mail day after these packs. Try to go a little bit faster. David Schledenko, victory rookie. Should probably stop talking so much. And dude, Football Fanatic 54 has been sending out a lot of annoying messages recently, so if you see that, just let them know to stop. Victory rookie Michael Vernis. Just letting you know. If you haven't, you might see one in the future. Patrick Marleau, a little bit damaged, but start of the game. And you got one of those inserts in a couple packs. Huge amount of cards is normal. Kind of weird seeing some of these guys like Kyle Turris and Stamkos without rookies. Matt Belski, victory rookie. You get 30, or not 36, you get like 10, at least 10 rookies per box, so hopefully one of them turns out to be good. Oh, that's nice. Ovechkin, Game Breakers. I was hoping for Ovechkin, Malkin, or Crosby, maybe Parise. Stars of the Game or Game Breakers. 2 packs left. Oh, quick box. But it was fun. Victory rookie, Davis, Drewski, which is really weird. Oh, Drewski. Oh, people are gonna make fun of me for that. Nickname is Drewski. Last pack has Stars of the Game at Sundin. Okay, I'll see what time I'm at, see if I have time for the mail there to do a separate video. Got time for it. Seeing if I had to do a separate video or not. Okay. So you can see victory goal was Rene Bourque again. That was the main hit of the box. Got a lot of packs for you, so not done yet. And today, the raffle item maybe arrived. Jack Johnson puck signings, an extremely nice card. Rookie puck signings. So I'm surprised it's not numbered. But yeah, so I'll clean this up, come back to the packs.